Here is the old motel sign from back when it was a motel, and now all the motel rooms are stores. We're here in Riverside, California, checking out the Farmhouse Collective, which is an area that used to be a motel, and recently they just changed it into like a boutique store area, like a
with an event space.
Yeah, with an event space. So it's like a hip event slash store area. The Farmhouse Collective is one of the city of Riverside's newest historical landmarks, but this place almost was demolished in the sake of the future, but luckily it was preserved. The Farmhouse Motel was built in 1953 and was a prime example of California's motor culture. A decade after World War II, the USA had an upswing in the economy, and that was expressed in California with the driving culture. Places like the Farmhouse Motel catered to that new reality. The motor concept was unique in that you could motor right up to your room door and park and stay for the night. Over time, however, the Farmhouse Motel went out of repair. University Avenue, where the motel was located, was bypassed by the 91 freeway, and so there was no longer a need for motorists to stop in this area. By the year 2007, the motel was so run down it was shut down entirely, and the property went to city-owned control. Luckily, the city decided not to completely tear down the motel, and in 2018, after a decade of being vacant, the Bailey family decided to buy and refurbish the property. Riverside Historical Landmark number 140. It would not reopen as a motel this time, but as an anti-mall experience known as the Farmhouse Collective. Today, the former motel rooms are now small businesses that you can peruse through. The first place that we went to was a record shop. The big feature now at the Farmhouse Collective is where the pool once was is now a stage with different community events. When we were there, they were celebrating the Art Laboe birthday.
Yes, I love you, baby. With all of my heart and soul, whenever I be yours, this love I have for you, baby, is real. Shows how much I love you, and this is how I feel right now. This love I have for you, baby, just grows and grows.
Art Laboe is a former radio DJ who specialized in a type of music called the old school music, in particularly the West Coast style of old school music. After listening to some old school songs, we went and we got some gelato. It was literally cool that now in Riverside we have a good gelato place. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video about the Farmhouse Collective and reminisced about the city of Riverside's newest historical landmark, the old Farmhouse Motel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yes, I love you, baby. With all of my heart and soul, whenever I be yours, this love I have for you, baby, is real. Shows how much I love you, and this is how I feel right now, and forevermore. This love I have for all things.